Hello students, welcome to my channel. In this class I am going to teach you composition of functions and application of composition of functions. So let us start the topic. Composition of functions. Let f be a function from a to b, g be a function from b to c. Then the composition function g of x is equal to g f of x. So the pictorial representation is here. We are taking A as a set. This is B and this is C. Suppose small a belongs to A, small b belongs to B, small c belongs to C. And here f is a function from A to B and g is a function from B to C. Now this function g of f is a function from A to C. Here g of f of A. This equals to g f of A. Now this A becomes B here under this, and here f of A is equal to B. So we can write g of b. And now under this function g of b becomes c. Here f of A is equal to b. Here A is equal to related to b under the function, it becomes f of b, and b related to this point element A. Here A belongs to A, under this function it becomes f of A, which is equal to b. That means f of A is equal to b. Now this b under the function becomes g of b, which is equal to c. So in this way composition of a function is defined. So let us solve problems on composition of a functions, by which the idea will be more clear to you. Okay, so this is the question. Here f is a function from set R up to R. R is the real number given by fx is equal to sin x, and g is a function from R to R given by g of x is equal to cos x. Then we have to find the composition function f for g of x and the composition function g of f of x. Now solution. So first a for g of x. So this can be written as f g of x. Now what is g of x? Now g of x is equal to cos x. It is given. So you can write here cos x, since g of x is equal to cos x. It is given. So now f of cos x. Here f of x is equal to sin x. F of y will be sin y. F of t will be sin t. So f of cos x will be sin of cos x. As f of x is equal to sin x, this implies f of cos x is equal to sin of cos x. Next, we have to find g of f of x, which is equal to g f of x. This is g. What is the value of f of x here? F of x is sin x, you can write. And g of x is cos x. So g of y will be cos y, g of t will be cos t. Then this will be cos of sin x. So this will be. Now g of f of x is equal to g f of x, and f of x is equal to here sin x. So this becomes g of sin x. Now g of x is equal to cos x, g of t will be cos t, g of y will be cos y. Then g of sin x will be cos of sin x. So what we observe here? So the composition function f of g of x not is equal to g of f of x. Now the problem is solved and we are getting the values of the composite function f of g of x and g of f of x. So let us proceed for the next problem. Now our next problem is find g of f of g when f is a function from R to R. G is a function from R to R means real number to real number given by fx is equal to x square plus 3 and g of x is equal to 5x minus 2. Solution. We have g of f of x. This is equal to g f of x, which is equal to g. What is the value of f of x? Now here f of x is equal to x cube x square plus 3. So this is g of x becomes 5x minus 2. G of t will be 5t minus 2. G of y will be 5y minus 2 and g of x square plus 3 will be 5x square plus 3 minus 2. So now this is 5x square 15 minus 2. So this is equals to 5x square plus 13. Then we proceed to find the composition function f for g of x, which is equal to f g of x. What is g of x? G of x is here 5x minus 2, we can write. Now f of x is equal to x square plus 3. F of t will be t square plus 3. F of y will be y square plus 3. So f of 5x minus 2 will be 5x minus 2 whole square plus 3. This is equal to 5x minus 2 the whole square plus 3. This is again equal to 25x square plus 4 minus 20x plus 3. So this is equals to 25x square minus 20x plus 7. So this is the answer for second problem. So we have solved it. Now let us proceed for the third problem. So our third problem is prove that f of g is equal to identity mapping is equal to g of f, where f is a function from R to R given by fx is equal to x minus 3 and g is a mapping from R to R given by g of x is equal to x plus 3 by 2. Our proof. Here a for g of x is equal to af g of x, which is equal to f g of x is x plus 3 by 2. So this is equals to, here f of x is equal to 2x minus 3. Then so here f of x is equal to 2x minus 3. So f of x plus 3 by 2 becomes x plus 3 by 2 minus 3. So this is equals to x plus 3 minus 3, which is equal to x, is equal to identity function. So this implies the composite function f of g is equal to I. Equation 1. Now again, G O f of x. So this is G f of x and this is G. What is f of x here? So 2x minus 3. And this is equals to 2. G of x is x plus 3 by 2. So obviously it will be 2x minus 3 plus 3 by 2, which is equals to 2x by 2 is equal to x is equal to I of x. So this implies GOF is equal to I. This is equation 2. So the composite function f of g of x gives you I of x, the identity function. So f of g is equal to I. Similarly, g of f is equal to I. Therefore, from equations 1 and 2, we get f of g is equal to I is equal to g. Proved. So here the identity function, we are getting composition of f of g is equal to I and composition g of f is also I. So with this class is completed. In my next class, I will meet you with a new topic. Till then, goodbye.